In this video, you'll explore collective movements, large groups of people dispersed across geographical locations who share a common interest. This type of collective behavior includes social diffusion, like rumors and trends, and social movements. The first type of collective movement is social diffusions. These occur when an idea is spread throughout a large group of people, like with rumors and mass diffusions. In some situations, rumors reduce anxiety and uncertainty about a situation by providing information, even if the information is inaccurate. In others, rumors can fuel negative behaviors, making the situation worse. Trends are temporary changes in the attitudes and behaviors of large portions of a population. There are several types, including fashion trends, fads, and crazes. The last type of collective is social movements. These are large groups of people who deliberately join together through an organized process. They're motivated to achieve or resist a large-scale change in a social system. Unlike other types of large groups, they're not as short-lived. They evolve and disband slowly. Over time, they develop norms, roles, and decision-making processes. And, eventually, some transform into social movement organizations, which operate like most businesses and nonprofit organizations. Successful movements have a few things in common. They direct members' efforts with a meaningful vision and mission for the group. They also leverage political opportunities and mobilize the necessary resources to execute their plans. Social movements vary in the goals they seek to attain. Reformist movements aim to improve the social system with minor changes to rules and processes, while revolutionary movements want a complete overhaul of the system. Reactionary movements resist change with their behaviors. Communitarian movements avoid change by withdrawing from the larger group.